Hey guys, he is Deepak and welcome to Tech Particle channel. This is the fifth video of tutorial series Introduction to C++ Programming. In this video, we will mainly deal with the topic constants and literals. As the name suggests, the name constant is given to that variable or value in C or C++ programming language which value cannot be modified once the value is defined. Means constants refers to the fixed value of the variable that the program may not alter. Mainly, constant can be of any basic data types and can be divided into following parts: integer numeral constant, floating point constant, character constant, string constant, and boolean constant. Please note this point: boolean constant is only valid in C++, not in C. Now come to literals. Literals can be defined as the value assigned to each constant variables are called literals. Both constant and literal can be used interchangeably. Now let's focus on the syntax of constant definition. We can define constant in two ways. One is using hash defined preprocessor directive and second one is using const keyword. Let's see one by one. The first one is using hash defined preprocessor directive. Let's focus on the syntax. Syntax is hash define, then identifier name, and then value. Identifier name is the basically name given to the constant, and value, that value assigned to the constant. For example, hash define val 50. The line states that in the constant name val 50 is assigned. Mainly it is written on the top of the program. While writing the program, we mainly write it on the top of the program. Let's see one program with implementation of this hash defined preprocessor directive. This is a program to define constant using hash defined preprocessor directive. The first two lines are preprocessor directive. After that, we define the constant using preprocessor directive. We defined integer constant here, hash define val and value of 20. Then after floating point constant, hash define float val having value of 4.5. Then after defining character constant having value of capital G. After that, defining boolean constant, that is its name is true and assigning the value true. After defining string constant, string, and the value inside is tech particle. Now I have just printed the constants, different type of constants. Now I'll compile the program and show what it will print. See, it have printed integer constant value 20 that we have defined here. After floating point constant 4.5, character constant capital G, string constant tech particle, and boolean constant 1. Since it is true, so it is 1. Now let's focus on second type of definition of constants. In this, you can use const keyword. Constant can be defined using const keyword, and it is as simple as defining the variable, normal variable. The difference is only that during definition of the variable, we use const keyword before variable data type. Now let's focus on the syntax of this. We start with const keyword, then after data type, identifier name, and then the value assigned to the identifier name. Please mention this. In this type of definition, we have to assign the value, means equal to sign will come here. In previous, equal to sign doesn't come. Now let's see an example. Here is example. This is const keyword, then after data type and the name of the constant val. This syntax is not valid, it is invalid syntax. After that, this is also invalid syntax. We have to write this in a sequence, not in a splitted manner. So this is a valid syntax, that is we have to start with const keyword, then after data type, constant name, then after equal to sign and the value assigned to the constant name. This is a valid syntax. Now let's see with the program. This is a program for defining constant using const keyword. The first two lines, hash include iostream and using namespace stdr preprocessor directive. I have explained these two terms in the very second video of Hello World program. If it's still difficult, you can check out that video. The link has been mentioned in the I button. After that, the main function started. In main function, I have defined integer constant, the const keyword. After that, data type int, constant name, val is equal to 10. 10 value have been assigned to the val. Similarly, I have defined floating point constant, character constant, boolean constant, and a string constant. And after that, I have printed the values of all these. Now I'll compile and show what it will print. See, it have printed integer constant 10, that is val, floating point constant 4.5, character val g, boolean true, so it is 1 here in the last, and the string constant tech particle. So this was all about constant and literals. Now we will see programming exercise question. In this, you have to write a C++ program to make a constant pi. You can use any of the method, either using preprocessor directive or using a const keyword, and the value of the pi is 3.4, and you have to make a variable, normal variable, that is radius, and assign a value to the radius. You have to calculate and print the circumference and area of the circle. Circumference is equal to pi r and area is equal to pi r square, where r is the radius. So I hope you like this video. If it's feel difficulty in understanding, you can comment in the comment box. Thank you.